Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back showing you how to make shampoo out of African black soap. This is traditional soap from West Africa made from plant-based ingredients like plantain skins, cocoa pods, and shea butter. This soap is unrefined and organic, and I usually love using this to cleanse my body. I recall washing my hair with the solid form back in the day, and I enjoyed the results, but it was pretty annoying using the bar on my hair, as you might imagine. So turning it into a liquid is preferred. The interesting thing about black soap is the way water so easily breaks it down. So I recommend chopping it up pretty finely because the finer you chop it, the quicker it'll dissolve. As you can see, I'm cutting it really fine, and then I go ahead and place it into a jar and cover it with water. I prefer to just pour enough water to cover the soap so that it can get to a pretty creamy consistency. The more water you add, the more watery your result will be. And as you can see, the water already is turning brown. You can tell that the soap is already beginning to dissolve. At this point, all you really need to do is allow it to sit. Set it aside and sit it for a few days. So this is the result after 3 days of sitting out. As you can see, it's separated, so I just gently stir it, being considerate to not create a lot of suds. And then I bottle it so it's convenient to take with me into the shower. Black soap is great for deep cleansing while keeping hydration. It helps combat dandruff and scalp infections. It gently exfoliates the scalp, promoting hair growth. And it's packed with vitamins for healthy hair, like vitamins A and E. If you're watching this, you're probably a DIY person, just like me. So make sure you check out my course called From Passion to Profit, where I teach you all the ins and outs on how to turn your creations into a profitable business. I grew my DIY product business into multiple six figures, and I can teach you how to do the same. Or at least help you fund your quarterly vacations or make sure the mortgage is paid every month. Also, if you're watching this video the weekend it comes out, we have our buy one get one free offer for our long lux head wraps. Don't miss out. And if you're watching this video later on, just visit KeishaCharmaine.com and see what offers are going on in real time. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.